Hi, it's DK again. I don't know about you, but this gray color junk, okay, in the Arduino IDE drives me crazy. It's it's kind of difficult to read. It's especially for my old eyes. By the way, just so you know what's going on. Here you can actually erase all of this by doing hitting that little key right there. That little guy there. Okay, that clears the screen. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can see Visual Studio Code on my screen here, right there, to do the editing, and then put it back into the Arduino to actually do the check, okay, and debug it, and then upload it. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to close this. All right. What I'm going to do is, I know that this already works, okay, so I'm going to double click here. Here's my guy right here, okay. I'm going to copy that, duplicate. See, there's a copy, all right. So I'm going to take this copy and bring it out here, all right. All right, so close this. Now there's my duplicate, right? So now what I'm going to do now is open up Visual Studio. Click. Should come up here soon. Takes a little while. There it is. There's my Visual Studio. Yeah. Opening folder. I don't want it to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to close that. All right. Now I'm going to go to Open. Oops. I don't want to see notes. I just want to do Open. Or you can do File Open over here. And I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go to Desktop. And I'm going to look for _ LED input copy. Okay, there it is right there. Boop. Okay, open. And there it is. Look, the colors are great. All right, it's clearly given. All right, so I'm just going to change one little thing to do a copy. Say click copy. Okay, just one little thing here. All right, and then I'm going to save it. File, save, close code. Now this is the way you can edit things, because you can increase the font, you can change the colors, you can do all kinds of stuff with this, right? You can do selection. You could do some theme stuff here. You could do whatever you want. You can edit the theme. You can let's see. You can run you can't run the program from here, but you can do a number of things. All right, here. Okay, so anyways, I like my colors here, so I kind of like to work here, and then once I have that, I do a file save, right? And then I'm gonna close my code. So there's the guy right there. I'm gonna double click here. And it's gonna think a while. There it is. It's bringing up the IDE. I've got the older IDE. And it says, no, I don't want to download it. Okay, not now. But it says, hey man, it needs to be in the sketch needs to be in a folder. Fine. I just said okay. And I'll go not now. And it's gonna bring up my guy here. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, no, I don't know. I don't want to rename it. I'll just set cancel. All right. Sketch is still invalid. Do you want to fix the remaining problems? No, don't worry about it. All right, so I'm gonna remove that. Should be in here. Open with Arduino IDE. It should open just right up. There it is. Now, with the ugly stuff here, right? Cannot be used. The name must start with a letter, number, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Fine. So it says it can't start it, but really, I've had no issues with it, okay? So I don't quite know what the deal is, so we'll just go ahead and make that a 2 like LED, okay? Okay. And there it is. Okay, it's happy. Again, it's back to this ugly stuff, okay? Now if you see right here, okay, you can see copy right there. That means that this is the file that I was using in Visual Studio Code. All right, so anyways, you know, it's kind of ugly gray stuff. Maybe that doesn't bother you, but it kind of bothers me a little bit. So sometimes when I'm tired, I actually go to do stuff in Visual Studio Code and import it over. All right, so that's it. Okay, that's my little thing on Visual Studio Code, using Visual Studio Code to program it, and that's it. All right, talk to you later. Bye.